Guys, welcome back. It's Beats by Zai. Today we're creating a very easy makeup look, and this look was inspired by the recent Coachella. So if you want to see how I got all of this goodness done, then stick around and see what I used and how I got it done. So her brows are already cleaned and sculpted. I'm starting out with my transition color, and I'm going to list all the products in the description. And as you can see, it's a really bright orangey kind of pinky kind of look, and I'm just setting that down just above the crease and right there on the brow bone, and then I'm just blending it out because I want to have a bright transition color so that when I lay down the other colors it's still gonna pop out. So I'm just packing it down, ensuring that it has, that oomph that I want. So I'm going to repeat basically the same steps on the other eyes, and then I'm going to move on. Now I'm taking a burgundy color from an eyeshadow palette from MAC to darken the crease and start to create more of a transition from the pink to the burgundy color. So I'm just concentrating that burgundy color, and it doesn't really look burgundy when I lay it down, but that's the actual color it is. And just to deepen the crease. Next, what I'm going to do is, go in with a darker brown, and that brown is from MAC as well, and it's called Embark, and that's really what I'm going to use to get the intensity and definition going on in the crease. So what I'm doing is I'm just laying down the dark brown until I get the desired look. Next, I'm just taking that transition color that I used to just diffuse any harsh lines that existed between the dark brown, the burgundy, and the orange. Now I'm using some concealer and eyeshadow brush to blend out the concealer on the lid only. As you can see, I'm not really taking it up into the crease, I'm just blending it out on the lid because that's exactly where I want to lay down my shimmer. And I'm using a gold compact shimmer from the same MAC palette, and as I said before, everything will be listed in the description. So I'm just patting that color on, and the good thing about this look is that if you don't want to add the sparkles to the look, you definitely can stop right here, blend out the gold along with the crease colors just to make it look more natural and finished. And you could have left it just like this and wear it like this if you don't want to go for the extra. But what I'm doing now, as I said, I'm trying to give it a more finished look, so I'm blending out the crease and the lid. And then I decided to add some glitter sealant on the lid as well. And I'm using some body sparkles from INGLOT, and I'm just patting it on the eyelid. And when I'm done, I'm going back in with my same eyeshadow brush to blend out the crease with the same dark brown. I'm using a liquid highlighter from CoverGirl. I think it's in Candlelight, but I'm not quite sure. It will be listed below, so don't worry about that. And now I'm about to apply her foundation and blend until I'm satisfied. As you can see, it looks very golden-ish on camera, But if you stick around, you're gonna see how this is brought together. So don't worry, don't raise an eyebrow, we're gonna bring it together. Once I'm done blending out my concealer, next I'm just going to add my setting powder. And the trick to this look is I decided to go in with my ebony bronzer just to ensure that her skin tone was really on point. And so I use the ebony bronzer to contour her face. So I'm just dusting off the excess setting powder on the eyes, and this is something that you need to take the time to do, otherwise it will lay under your eyes, and when you take pictures you're going to see it coming out. So I'm just taking my time to brush that off, and I hope you can see that, you know, the look is already coming together. Yes, you're not seeing that golden foundation anymore, it's already blended in and it's more matching to her skin tone. So yes, now I'm using one of my favorite bronzers at the moment and it's the Baked Vivid Bronzer by Makeup Revolution, and as you can see it is definitely delivering. I love it. So I'm using some rhinestones from Glitter Joy, and I ordered this from Amazon. This is not the entire pack, I just used these pieces from the pack that I ordered. And at the top of the forehead I am using some chunky glitters. This didn't come with the rhinestones, but you know, I was just adding this in to make it pop a bit more, and so you can see you can still create something that's very easy but impactful. So this is the finished look, guys. Drop your comments down below, let me know what you guys think. Follow me on social media. Yes, and thanks for watching every week. Thanks for, you know, basically all the support. Continue to watch, continue to subscribe, and